Hello friends, and welcome to my new beauty room. Today I wanted to give you a little peek of my new addition. You probably see it right behind me. Surprise! I got a new Impressions Vanity. It was my first big girl purchase for the new house. So I wanted to give you a little tour and tell you a little bit about it. So here's a better look. I got the Slaystation 2.0. I got the clear bulbs and I got the display case on top with the adorable little drawers at the bottom, which are perfect. I'll show you those later. So this mirror is just as stunning as on the website. It's got these handy little plugs on the side as well as USBs, and on the other side they even have a dimmer so you can make it lighter or darker. My favorite has to be the display here. It looks almost like a store display, very professional, and you can show off all your palettes and all your pieces and still keep your counter clean. So I like to separate it into two different areas. So this is the hair side. These are all the things I use on more of a regular basis. Going down, we have the hair tools I use every day. Next up we have hairsprays. We have a few samples there as well as my extensions in the back. Next we have hair tools I use less regularly but still keeping them on hand. And the bottom we have a plethora of hair accessories as well, just about anything you could use. So moving on to the right side, we have all my makeup. So this first bin is mostly stuff I use on the daily basis so I can access them quickly. Next I have my fragrances and other usual items in there like makeup wipes and things like that. Next we have all my lippies, super fun, and I keep all my favorite ones in the corner, but I keep them somewhat color coordinated. Next we have some extra room, so I put all my crazy headbands in there for work, as well as some extra like medications, and who doesn't love samples, so keep those at the bottom just in case. A few extras you might want to consider if you're going to get this is this from Target to keep all your things off the counter, all your little hair tools, as well as this adorable acrylic chair. Target last season, but still so cute. And now for the real tea, because I know some of you have been considering something like this and you're like, that's way too much or it's way too ridiculous, and you are probably right. But if it's something you always wanted and it's a splurge, kind of like me, I just decided to go for it. It's quarantine. I wanted something new and fresh to brighten up and be like the piece de resistance in my beauty room. So I went for it. But if you're shopping for Impressions Vanity, if you wanted to get the big mamu like me, a lot of the vanities are around $1,200 to $1,500, which is super steep, in my opinion, for sure. And I'm sure to y'all as well. So I thought it would be a great idea if you wanted to get just the vanity. The vanities are usually around $500, and then maybe just get like an IKEA desk to set it on top, because you literally, most of it, you just set it on top. So you can have whatever desk you want. Also, you can get a desk from IKEA, TJ Maxx, things like that. And TJ Maxx actually has a lot of these lights, like a lighted mirror you can just put on top of a desk. So it would be way cheaper and do just about the same thing. But I love mine. The only thing I would caution you about is the setup and the setup time. I don't have anyone handy in my house, much less in my life. So I hired a handyman, which is actually one of my movers, to set up. And it actually took him about 6 or 7 hours to set up the whole thing. So be prepared, look up some YouTube tutorials, get your handy husband or hunk down the road to help you out. Now I hope you had fun in this video touring my Slaystation. Hopefully soon I can show you the rest of my beauty room. But if you want to hang out with me in between uploads, definitely check out theprepandpink.com. That is my blog, as well as my Instagram is theprepandpink. And if you want to buy the same Slaystation as me, I'll make sure to put it at the bottom here for you as well. So have fun, have a great evening, and we'll see you soon. Bye guys.